Okay, time to feed my parents, Bird and George, and check on them and make sure they're okay. I actually already talked to my mom this morning because just wanted to make sure they were okay after the all that happened yesterday. Hello, Mr. George. Oh, there you go. Okay. I see ya. Ugh. And that I was supposed to clean yesterday, which never happened because we didn't get home until 12 hours later. Oof. Wow. Look at all the rain we had. This is great for the water table. That's for sure. There you go, Georges. Looks like this thing needs to be filled. Actually, walking in the grass might help with the mud on my boots. I don't know. I wonder what happened here. Looks like mulch. I don't know. But I do know my dad does not like a mess. So, as we fill this thing, I gotta be extra careful. Yep, and there it goes. Did you guys see that? Fall. Ugh, I can see already. I'm making a mess. Yes. Perfect pour. We might need to clean that up a little bit later. And I gotta find a scrub brush for the bird bath. His garage is filled with so many cool things. Tools and scrub brushes and brooms. It's really cool. I wish my garage looked halfway as nice as his. But, whoa, did that just fall? I heard something. Yeah, it did. All right. Are you stable? Well, I didn't catch the bird flu yet. So that's a good thing. I don't even know if I believe the bird flu. Maybe radio frequencies or something kill those geese. I don't know. I don't know what to believe anymore. Okay. We need to sweep this bird seed up so Dad doesn't get upset. Get. Good job. And we need a scrub brush. I know he's gonna have one. He has everything. Scrub brush. Where would you be if you were a scrub brush? You know what? I'm gonna let him feed the bluebirds because I don't know. No. Oh, don't tell me it's way over there. Oh, I see it. Damn it. All right. I wonder if this one will work. We'll try it. We will try this thing. It's like a mini broom. Yikes. Yikes. All right. It already looks 10 times better. Except now there is no water, but I have a solution for that. In my truck. Yep, here we go. And we got a half one here. So we will just fill those up with fresh water. Come on back, George. I know you're out there. Oh, and my dad said, you're not going to believe this. There are bluebirds. There's a bluebird nest in that house. And that is so cool. So, hopefully, we will have baby bluebirds. Hopefully. Whoa. Oh, and now I can see it's a little tilted. So, I gotta figure out how my dad had it. Or it wasn't tilted. Oh, crap. The heck? A little bit better. Still tilted. But sure, my dad will come out and fix it. Hopefully, when he gets a minute. Ha! Our flowers look better than the flower show. There's a bud. There's a bud. Look at all these buds coming up. Good. Good, good, good. I think spring is officially here. I'm hoping at least. I always keep an extra one of these in my truck just in case I see something needs water on the road, or I gotta put out a fire, or something needs to be cleaned off. Oh, his peach tree. Look, there's a bud right there. That's so cool. I got him that for a Father's Day present, like maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago. And the funniest thing is, it bloomed. It actually bloomed. And we all tried a peach and they were disgusting, but we all tried one. And then last year it bloomed one peach and we were like, nah, we're not going to do that. Okay, here we go. In to see Mom and Dad. Hi, Leo.
Hi, honey. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good, actually. How are you guys feeling?
Turn off the camera, please.
Turn it off? All right, I will.
Were your cats scared last night?
Oh, my cats ran every different direction. It was hilarious. It sounded like a war was going on out there.
It felt like it. The house shook.
Shaking.
The windows